for you and me. You just wait and see. You just wait and see. Oh. Oh yeah. Wait and see. Right? I made a mistake. Think of your fellow men.
Horses riding.
Wow, look at that.
Horses
Nice.
boarded.
Horses on the left side, babies. They're eating. The horses are eating. Horses are eating. Oh, the sheep. I missed the sheep. We missed the sheep on the right side, but it's okay. Another horse here. Baby Kenyatta and Baby Kian in the archway. You want napkin? The other one? There we go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Need help or you're fine? Okay. Okay, it's okay. Nice. See, we're having fun as a family, right? Cruising as a family, big brother, right, baby?
Right.
Yes, nice. Munching while riding, right? While cruising. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, look at that nice view. The lake. Wow, the sunset on the lake. Right, babies? Wow, look at that. Super beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Right? You have water? Because it's dark, it's automatically putting light on.
I could have fixed this one and a half.
Nice, full colors. It's the birds. Ah, we're going Grandma's way. Nice, 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 nice.
Make a right.
You wanna make a right, right? Yes, Grandma's way. Train tracks there. You're gonna be having the train on December 19. Yes, yes, yes.